Hey guys, right now it's 4:11. It's February 14th. Looks like it's nice out now. Earlier it was so gloomy and rainy and gray, but now it's better and light outside. We have a package from Chef's Plate, so we're gonna try that today or this week. I think Kat is also on her way home, so she'll be here shortly. So I'll open this up. Kat's home now.
Hi.
You came home so late.
I know, because it's Monday and it's mid-month, so wait.
She came right when I was trying to open this.
Timing. Hi guys, so we are going to open our box from Chef's Plate. And do you want to explain to them how this works?
Yeah, so it's a subscription service for groceries and food. Basically, you pick whatever recipes you want for the week and how many recipes you want to receive for the week. So ours is 3 recipes for 2 people.
For a week, right?
For 1 week, yeah.
So what do we have for this week?
We have steak. We're gonna make that today because it's Valentine's Day.
And then this one,
Um,
Greek-inspired pork chop.
yeah, and then some panko fish.
Okay.
And then
So, ito yung itsura, guys. Nakapack na siya per meal?
per recipe.
Per recipe. So, nakapack na siya. Since meron tayong 3, teka ilalabas ko lang ito lahat para makita nyo. Okay. Go. Okay, ito yung pork chop. So, lahat ng kakailanganin mo para sa
Pork chop.
pork chop andyan. Ito yung para sa panko, crusted basa. Lahat din andyan. And then, ito din yung steak.
And loaded bacon potatoes. So this is what we're gonna eat tonight, so I'll just put this aside.
And
then all of the meats and everything come in this
ito.
package.
Naka-separate siya kasi kailangan malamig. So, meron silang ano tawag ito? Parang ganito.
Ice packs.
Ice pack. Oo.
And these ones, they're just water, so you can just dispose of it in the sink. Or you can keep it for the summer, so put it in your cooler. But over time, you get so many of this that you don't want this anymore.
Ito. So, ito yung mga meats nila, guys. So, yung laman ng paper bags, naka-separate na siya. Yun yung mga gulay or yung mga ibang recados. Ito, meats lang to. Pero may nakatatak na, may mga nakapangalan na dyan kung para saan yan. And then, ito din.
Keepers.
And,
These are so good. Sauces are here too, so everything that needs to be cool is in here. It's packed in there. There's some cheese, sour cream, feta, and it's all labeled too, so you don't have to guess which ones are which.
And hindi na kayo mawo-worry kung paano yung measurement nila. Kasi lahat naman andito, pati yung instructions kung paano lutuin, andito din lahat. So, naka-indicate din dito kung anong kasali sa kit bag nyo. Ito, dito. So, it's easy guys. Very convenient.
Yeah.
Lalo na pag sobrang busy kayo, kailangan nyo yan.
Instructions are behind.
So I don't recommend them for
Big families.
Big families. Oo, kasi
It's quite pricey. So the only reason why we ordered this week is because we received a call from them, a promotional call, and they offered us 50% off for this week and then 20% off for the following weeks.
totoo. Dati, so nag-try kami ng iba't ibang, anong tawag nito? Food something, whatever. Food services, whatever. Nag-try kami niyan before. Na-try namin yung HelloFresh. Na-try namin yung...
HelloFresh is good.
HelloFresh is good. I recommend HelloFresh too. And then the other one, what's the other one? I forgot.
Good
Good
food.
food.
Good food I didn't enjoy.
Yeah, and then yung pinaka-cheapest sa lahat is this one, the Chef's Plate. And then nagtigil kami ni Kim for a while kasi
We missed Filipino food.
oo, totoo. Iba pa rin talaga yung Pinoy food. So,
But this one is only 3 meals, so it works out well because then there are 4 other days that you can eat Filipino food, and this is just like super easy, so you don't have to think about what you want to eat or what you're gonna make that day.
true. So, okay. If may questions kayo, sure.
Yeah.
Magluluto muna kami. Actually, si Kim lang magluluto.
Yeah, we're gonna try HelloFresh again because I really like HelloFresh. Okay, it's 10:10. 10:10.
Okay, so guys, yun yung experience naman sa
Chef's Plate. Oh yeah, masarap.
Yeah,
Did you like
masarap.
it?
Yeah, masarap siya. Pero, pwede nyo rin naman i-customize yung ano, like for example, kung nakulangan kayo sa sauce kasi yung main ingredients lang naman talaga yung binibigay nila. Pero kung gusto niyo mag-add ng mga sauce, pwede naman na kayo mag-timpla-timpla or gusto niyo i-tweak ng onte yung lasa kasi baka kulang yung panlasa sa inyo or baka sobra yung panlasa sa inyo.
True.
Pero pwede yun. It's a really good meal plan kung super busy kayo, kung minsan wala na kayong time talaga para mag-prepare or anything. So, at least, sinustore nyo na lang yung food sa fridge. At saka, hindi na kayo mahirapan mag-isip kung ano na namang ulamin ngayon or whatsoever.
Yeah.
Pero kung planado naman na yung mga pagkain nyo or dinner nyo or lunch nyo, well, good for you. Pero sa amin,
Good for you.
good for you. Very organized.
Why are you resentful of that?
I mean, no. Like, very, kasi minsan kasi, like, sa super busy na, hindi mo na maiisip. Minsan, ang dami mong gustong kainin to the point na parang mag-change na yung plano naming ulam. So,
Yeah.
buti na yan na hindi na kami masyadong mag-iisip pa kung anong ulam.
Actually, today, the reason why it's steak is because they have like on their menu, they have the special thing. Oh, there's always ambulances or police officers like down the street because it's a main street. But anyways, the reason why we had steak is because they had special dishes all the time. Every week they have special dishes, and it costs like $3 extra for those dishes. But we just got some because we have a discount. So
yeah, we have a discount. And then guys, let us know if interested kayo kasi pwede naman may code, 'di ba? May code na.
Yeah.
We can invite you guys na subscribe
yeah,
for Chef's Plate kasi may code pa naman kami.
and it's also no commitment. So if for example you only want to try it one time and then don't want to order the next time, that's completely fine. They don't really chase you or they don't like you have no obligation
So, may
to keep.
ma-receive lang siguro kayo na email na, hey, it's time to plan for your pero pwede nyong i-disregard yung email na yun.
They
kung
don't
ayaw
charge
nyo.
anything unless you get a package. So that's one of the good things too.
That's right. Hindi po ito sponsored.
Because we're not even famous. How
Hindi.
could it be
Hindi
sponsored?
po ito sponsored. Sinasabi lang namin yung experience namin sa Chef's Plate, sa HelloFresh, sa Good Food, at saka kung anong ibang pa. So far, yun lang naman talaga yung tinanay namin. But, yeah.
Which one do you like best?
I like the HelloFresh.
Yeah,
Pero hindi
I
pa
like
kasi
the
namin
HelloFresh
na-explore yung
one.
ibang sa Chef's Plate. Pero, okay din naman yung
Chef's Plate, we always did.
Yeah, yung HelloFresh yung dati sa 771.
Yeah, yung HelloFresh, it has more, more leftovers. Oh yeah, the other bad thing about it is it's super good for one meal, So we bought 3 meals of 2 servings. So it's really true to the serving sizes because if you eat
True.
it, you're probably not going to have any leftovers, and that's not ideal for people like us because we baon to work.
Totoo. At saka, kung magtatanong kayo about, like, kung gaano kadami, kung sapat pa for ilang certain number of people na kakain, meron naman yan, di ba?
You can
isasabi
edit.
mo naman kung ilang tao yung, pang ilang tao yung orderin mo or kukunin mo na food.
Yeah. But overall, the experience was good. They always have really good instructions, and they even have an app, and it has instructional videos over there. I just rarely use it because the instructions on the sheets are really good enough. Like, they're very easy to understand and follow.
Totoo. Hindi na kayo matataranta. Hindi na kayo mag-measure pa. But, yeah, it's very good.
Yeah.
So, dito na naman itatapos ang vlog namin kasi medyo gabi na rin.
Yeah.
Maaga pa kami bukas. And, yeah.
Okay. Bye, guys. Peace. Also, happy Valentine's Day.
Happy
Today
Valentine's Day.
is February 14th. So happy Valentine's Day, everyone.
Valentine's Day. Good night. Our Lord.
Amen. So this is the food